Did you know that a whopping 81% of data breaches come from weak or stolen passwords? Imagine an attacker sitting halfway across the globe sneaking into your Azure cloud in just a few clicks. But what if you could stop them cold with tools you already have? Today on TechCirrus-SG, I'll show how Azure's Identity and Access Management, the trio of Microsoft Entra ID, Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, and Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, can save you and your business from disaster. Welcome to TechCirrus-SG, your Singapore-based home for enterprise IT and cloud security know-how. We turn buzzwords into step-by-step solutions. If that's your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and stay ahead in tech. What is Azure Identity and Access Management? Think of Identity and Access Management, or IAM, as the digital security guard for your entire Azure environment. It's not just about blocking outsiders. It's about ensuring the right people get the right access at the right time with accountability every step of the way. Let's take a quick look. Microsoft Entra ID, which was formerly called as Azure Active Directory or Azure AD. On your screen, you can see where to go at Azure portal and spot Microsoft Entra ID and go further into different steps like user, groups, and many other options. Microsoft Entra ID is your identity backbone in the cloud. It's where users sign in, apps authenticate, and devices trust each other. With Microsoft Entra ID, your team can use one login for everything: email, cloud apps, even on-premises systems. That's the magic of single sign-on. You can also set up conditional access. For example, you can block logins from risky locations or unsecured devices in seconds. Don't just trust, verify. Make a note that you require Microsoft Entra ID P2 license in order to use conditional access. It does not come with Microsoft Entra ID free license. Microsoft Entra ID uses artificial intelligence to spot suspicious logins before a human ever could. Next topic that we are going to see is role-based access control, or RBAC. It's not enough to know who someone is, you have to control what they're allowed to do. So RBAC lets you assign roles to users. You can assign RBAC at different scope, that is management group, subscriptions, resource group, or resources. Suppose if you need a new intern to only view reports but not delete files, assign him the reader role. If you want complete control, create custom roles for more fine-grained access. One pro tip to remember: always apply least privilege. Start with no permissions, then add what's truly needed and keep the number owner role access to least number of people or a group. Here's a real-world scare. In late 2024, researchers uncovered a flaw where attackers bypassed Azure's Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, using nothing but brute force and a missed rate limit. They accessed emails, files, even cloud resources, all because legacy protections weren't layered with conditional access and continuous monitoring. But you can stay safe by enabling rate-limited MFA and regular auditing. Microsoft responded quickly on this incident. But what it shows that no one is immune. Attacks happens all the time and posture matters in today's world. Our final topic is multi-factor authentication, MFA. Passwords are not enough. MFA adds an extra lock using something you know, that is password, and something you have like phone, fingerprint, or authenticator app. Azure MFA can be required for all users or just those with admin access. It's proven. Enabling MFA blocks over 99% of automated account hacks. Don't forget to enforce smart lockouts and monitor for abnormal attempts. You can set up per user MFA under Microsoft Entra free tier license as shown here. But if you would like to implement it in bulk, organization-wide, then it is recommended to have Microsoft Entra ID P2 license. Let's see what happens when an attacker tries to breach your account with all Entra ID, RBAC, and MFA in place. First, they crack the password, but when prompted for an OTP or biometric, they get blocked. With Entra ID, role-based access control, RBAC, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, working together, their attack stops cold even if they have the password. Here's what we covered. Entra ID, that's Identity Foundation, SSO, conditional and risk-based controls. Role-based access control, RBAC, needed for precise access, least privilege, custom roles. Multi-Factor Authentication (MFA) provides extra security lock, blocks over 99% of hacks. Enable these together and attackers are left out in the cold. Found this video valuable? Hit like. It helps other folks find serious security content. And do a left comment. Which part of Azure IAM do you want to master next? And don't forget to subscribe for more such insights on Microsoft Cloud security. Right here on TechCirrus-SG. Your journey to zero trust starts now.